What's happening, YouTube? Brent back here with you. Just another quick update because, man, it's constantly great things going on. Constantly. Always something new and exciting going on with Live Good. Always. Just, you got to feel my enthusiasm. You have to. Because this company is just constantly giving. They're for the people. I mean, we the people are blowing them up and they are showing their appreciation by great products and a phenomenal compensation plan. You can't go wrong. And speaking of that, there we're going to get into that in a minute, but I forgot on my last video, so I definitely want to get this in this time. Please like and subscribe. Let's get these subscribers up, man. You guys are doing me wrong. I mean, I'm giving some good content here, and man, it's like I'm begging for subscribers. Like, subscribe, ding, ding, ding. It's that easy. You want to get some silly entertainment from me? I know you do. This is what I live for. This is what you should live for. Live good, be happy. Let's have fun. Let's get it, so I can get into my end of video rant that I like to do. So let's jump on over there right now. Let's go. All right. Affiliate compensation plan. Here's what LiveGood just did as of last Friday, which was the 8th of January 2024. So it's going to be, I'm going to have to call them out on a little bit of crap here because we used to earn 6 ways, right? But they added another one. So I'm going to have to send them a little message, let them know there's now 7 ways to earn. That's right, 7 ways to earn with Live Good. Your weekly fast start. Mind you, this is only if you're an affiliate. Pay that $40. I don't care if you're just buying products. Pay that one-time $40 fee so you can start making money for doing nothing but being a member. And if you want to make more money and be a team leader, sharing a link, because that's all you have to do, pay the $40 and make that money. So let's go. Weekly fast start commissions. That's one way you get paid. Matrix commissions. Another way you get paid. All these percentages. Trust me, folks, they add up quickly. Those are monthly numbers. Those are monthly numbers just for this. Just for the matrix commissions. If you are unranked, meaning you don't do anything but maintain your membership, right there. $2,047.50. That's what you can earn just for paying your $9.95 a month. And if you want, buy some products. Why not? You already got the membership, buy some products. But guess what? You don't have to do that either. You don't have to buy products. Just maintain your membership. Only obligation you have. Cancel any time. 90-day money back guarantee on all of them products. And let me mention this again. I do not make money selling products. I don't sell products for Live Good. I make no money there. Unless you're buying products retail from my site, which doesn't happen a whole lot, but it does. I'm not selling products. I'm selling a membership to a phenomenal opportunity. That's all I can say. I'm not pushing anybody because you can't push rope, right? So I'm not pushing anybody. I'm trying to pull people along into a damn good time of residual, lifelong, passive residual income. Come on now. Moving on. Matching bonuses. Another way you can get paid. All right. And this is where the stuff starts hitting. I'm telling you, when you see the end of month payouts, you're like, okay. And I see some of my upline who have a huge team. When I see their numbers, because everybody in Live Good is really transparent. All the higher ups, we're all equals. So my team leader, who's way above, way up there, she's fully transparent with what she's got going on, and she's making the same. We all make the same percentages, period. There's only one little area that's different, and I'll show you. But matching bonuses, number 3, retail commissions. This is the only way that we make money on products, okay? You get 50% of the difference between a membership price and the retail cost. Whatever the difference is, you get 50% of that difference. So that's the only way we make money. Nobody's really pushing that, but some people just want to try the product and see if they like it before buying a membership. That's cool, and usually that's when you get a little something out of there. But I'm not pushing the products to get this retail, because if they're a member, I don't get anything. This is only retail, okay? But when you're rank level, it pays 10 levels deep once you get up there, okay? Moving on. This is the new one, number 5. This is just so incredible. Nobody, this just came out of nowhere. They just dropped this on us on a Zoom call last week and said, you know what? From now on, moving forward, in addition to earning your fast start commissions, when you enroll a new member, when any of your personally enrolled members place their first order, their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus, following the same structure as our fast start commissions and retail commission. So what that means is anyone that you refer, directly you refer, they join. I don't care if they wait 8 months before they order a damn product, or just hanging out, or they forgot about it, whatever. And then they're like, oh, you know what? I'm going to buy the Daily Essentials pack. Then you're going to get 10% of that. So, damn. Just when it didn't think it could get any better, they throw something else great at you. That's just gets me so pumped up, because it's always something good coming this way. They're never like taking from you. They're never like, oh, well, we were doing that, but we're not doing that anymore. No, it's like, we're doing that, and now we're going to do this in addition to. The bigger we get, the more they take care of us, the more the family tightens up. You know what I mean? So there's number 5. Then you got your influencer bonus. That's another chunk of money right there. I mean, if you can do that, there's great money there. I mean, each one of these is tailored to certain people too. I mean, some of these would just work for you. Some people are just hardcore influencers and salesmen, and they can push product. If you can do that, there is an insane amount of potential here for you. Okay. And then number 7, the Diamond and Crown Diamond bonus pools. That is the only difference. Okay, when we talk about, hang on one sec. Let's do this here. Let's get back so you can see how pumped up I really am about this. That diamond bonus is the only difference when it comes to people making money. We're all equals, level playing field, right? All level playing field until you hit that diamond. Once you hit diamond, then you get 2% split between all the qualified diamond rank members. 2% of the total sales of all membership and product gets divided evenly, excuse me, between all the diamonds. So that's the only difference. And that just gives you something to strive for. So on top of the other 6 bonuses, if you're a diamond member, at the end of every month, they're going to tally up and going to split up that 2%. I mean, that's just another fat check. That's the only difference from everybody else. Everybody else, we're all getting the same commission, the same percentages, the same everything. You hit that, then you're on your that's the plateau, right? That's where you want to be. That's where I'm striving to get. Who knows how long it'll take me to get there? I really don't care. I'm struggling, striving. I'm just grinding every day, driving my wife nuts, because everywhere I go, I just want people to hear about it. Like, are you interested in possibly making $2,047.50 a month or more? You want to work from your phone anywhere you're at any time? You want to save money on a phenomenal product? Where are you buying your vitamins at? Are you taking vitamins and supplements? Oh, you're buying them on Amazon. All them fillers and all that garbage in there, are they non-GMO? Oh, well, let me introduce you to something. That's how I'm living my everyday. This is my business. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm invested in. I'm committed to. I'm married to this. Like, I'm married to my wife. Honestly, I do anything for her, and I compliment her in every which way possible. Phenomenal woman, and I probably don't deserve her, to be truthful, but I got her, and I plan to keep her to the best of my abilities. And She has a membership here. I signed her up right away. She takes the products, but she's never even visited her website, and she's profitable. She's already making money. She doesn't know. So we don't pay for our membership anymore. That's done deal. That's covered. And we're just every month it's going up and going up and going up and going up, regardless of what I'm doing, because believe it or not, the spillover is real. I know a lot of people, and there are some stagnant teams, I guess, that they're not getting spillover. I see a lot of people in some groups saying, "Oh, I was in for 8 months and I didn't get one spillover." Well, I mean, you're not. Everything isn't free. That people don't realize that you don't get anything for free. You have to put work into stuff. Everything you do, your marriage you put work into, your gardening you put work into, your house you put work into. If you want good things, if you want your car to be nice, you got to put some work into it. You got to wash it, you got to clean it, you got to wax it, you got to take care of the oil, you got to get the tires changed. You got to put work in a little bit, or you can just sit back, and be like, just complain about everything. If that's who you are, then that's all you're ever going to be, unsatisfied. I am not that way. I am a go-getter. I want to go get it. I pursued my wife hardcore, just like I'm pursuing this live good dream hardcore. I want to set my kids up when my kids get a little bit older. They were going to be a part of live good, and I'm going to push this to them. This is just, there's greatness here, and it's so easy, so duplicatable. I can't stress that enough. Share a link. Try some products so people can say, wow, look at me. I'm passionate. I love the products. Products are great. I don't even make money off the products. And here I am talking about the products because they're good. It's good stuff. Give it a try. $9.95. Yes, this is my rant moment. This is what I'm going to be known for on YouTube, is the end of my little presentation. Brent gets on there and he gets a little rant. And he gets all excited and worked up and silly. And I don't even care. This is what I want to do. This is what I'm passionate about. I love it. And I just want other people. I want to see other people win. Yes, it's going to help me win, but I love to watch you win because I'm going to give everything into you to help you win. I'm going to provide you with the tools you need. I'm going to connect you with all the right people. I don't care if you're already a marketer. I'm going to turn you on to everything that I've already vetted out and set you up free. Free. Hand you this. Hand you that. Hand you this. Point you in this direction. You got any questions? Come to me. I got you. I got you covered. $9.95. What are you going to lose? $9.95? $10? Give it a try. Like I said, if you're going to try, pay that one-time $40 fee. Dirt cheap, so we're talking $49. You spend more than that at the gas station. One fill up, right? $49. And now you have your own e-commerce business. Many people are like, I never thought I'd have my own business. You can have your own online business. This is duplicatable. This is easy. Share a link. Share a link. Tell somebody you want to save some money. Here's my link. You want to buy some great products? Here's my link. You're at your friend's house and see they got essential oils? My company sells essential oils. How much you pay? $100 for 3 bottles? I can get you 6 bottles of 99% pure oils for $49 or less. What do you want to do? This is just, it's a great feeling. I like checking in on my people. I got my close friends. I check on them like, how's it going? I'm like, man, I'm loving it. This is good stuff. When's the next product coming out? Do you know what's coming out next? It's a great discussion. So, why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? You waiting for my next video? Because I'm going to say the same stuff. I'm probably going to be a little more pumped because by that time my essential oils will have arrived and I'm like, damn, these oils are good. Oh, I love them. You got to try, you got to try, you got to try. What do you got to lose? Life's a gamble. You buy a lotto ticket. You're not guaranteed to win, right? But you tried. $20 and $20 scratchers, $30 scratchers, $50 scratchers. I'm a scratch off lotto guy. I'm a gambling guy. I've wasted so much money on lotto tickets and got nothing. This is paying me every month and I put minimal work. I'm talking on YouTube because I'm trying to expand this. I don't have to do this. I was already in the black with my accounts before I did this. And I was like, you know what? This isn't even my thing. I'm just doing it because I want to reach out to more people. I want people to see this. I want people to give it a go. I want to be the reason people are making money. Like, I want people to thank me, you know, thank you, Brent. You turned my life around. That's what I'm looking for. Not the 25 cents I make off of your membership, because that's what you make as an affiliate. You make 25 cents off your personally enrolled membership. Peanuts. But that's what makes this platform sustainable, right? So it's 25 cents is all I'm going to make off of you. So it's not like here I am trying to get all your money. No, you are setting yourself up for something phenomenal. And then you sign someone else up. You're getting 25 cents and 25 cents and 25 cents. And man, it grows so quick. It just snowballs. Get in there. Come join the team. Live good. You know what I mean? Live good. Get in there. Live good. Lovelife.com. Brent Gordon 2024. Let's go. Let's do big things. I'll see you on the next video. All right. Thank you for stopping by.